Welcome to another Maker Monday at Macquarie Regional Library. My name's Suzie and today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself speaker for your very own phone or other mobile device. So you can see, here's mine here. We're going to be using some really common household materials, just a cardboard roll and some plastic cups. Nice and simple. Now if you really enjoy today's Maker Monday, check out some of the excellent resources that we have in our collection, such as these ones here, available from Macquarie Regional Library. Check them out on our catalogue at home, and let's get started. Okay, so for our do-it-yourself speaker, what you're going to need is your cardboard roll and 2 plastic cups. I've also got some scissors, a pencil, and a texter as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace an outline of our cardboard roll onto the paper cup, the plastic cup. So let's see if we can get that going around there nicely. Whoops. Let's do our other one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to poke the cardboard roll through the plastic cup once we've cut a hole in it. Now this can be a little fiddly. Please ask for an adult's help at home if you need it. There we go. Okay, now it's time to cut holes into our plastic cups. Now this next part, please ask for an adult's help, because what we're going to do is we're just going to poke a small hole into the cup. There we go. And we're just going to cut into it. There we go. There's one. Let's do the second one. Okay, our next part is we're going to make a cut into the cardboard roll, roughly as big as the bottom of your phone or device. So you can trace around your phone or device, or you can take a guess. There we go. And now again, please ask for an adult's help at home. We're going to poke another hole in this so that we can cut into it. Okay, now that we've cut a hole into the cardboard tube and into our plastic cups, all we're going to do is poke that cardboard tube into the plastic cup. There we go. And there we have it. That is our speaker. Now the speaker works by forcing the music from the bottom of your device through the tube and out to the cups. It focuses the sound towards you, so if you face these cups towards you, you'll be able to hear sound really, really well. But if you were to face them away from you, I'm not sure you'd hear that sound that great. Well, I hope you enjoyed making our do-it-yourself speaker at home today. Decorate it and make it look as awesome as you can. Try using some different materials. What about using paper cups or even shortening the length of the tube? See if that makes any difference to the sound that comes out. All right, I hope you enjoyed our Maker Monday. Have fun. Bye.